Hello everyone, welcome to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. This is Pankaj Sharma. I'm here with this new video which will be about creating a blog. So let's head over to Google Chrome or any browser you use. So this is Google Chrome. First thing you need to know is I'll be creating a blog using blogger.com, which is one of Google's services. So let's go to blogger.com. If you are already signed in, it will show you the control panel like this. In my case, I have several blogs running on Blogger. So if I have to create a new blog, I'll need to go here and select from the drop down new blog. Let me show you another example. If you are going to create your blog for the first time, and for that I'll be opening Internet Explorer, a new browser. All right, let's go to blogger.com. This is how it looks like for the ones who have not used Blogger before. So you need to go to sign in. When you sign in, it will ask you your Google account. So use your Google account. Okay, I'll be using a Google account which has not been used on Blogger before. So use another account. So these are the okay, so you need to give your profile a display name. It will be your Blogger profile. So in my case, I'll give it Pankaj Sharma. We can obviously change that later. All right, so this is how it's going to look like, and you will see this option, create new blog. Just click on this. All right, so let me go back to my account which I'm going to use to create this new blog. This was just for the people who have not used Blogger before. So this is the account. The title of my blog is going to be Top Bootcamps. You can change the title later on, and the address is going to be Top Boot Camps. This is what it's going to look like, and we can definitely customize it later on. As you can see, sorry, this blog address is not available at the moment, so we need to change this. Let's change it to online boot camps. You can see this is available. Okay, now the next thing is you can pick a theme which suits best for your blog. This can be changed later on as well. So for now, I'll be sticking with this default one. Click on create blog. It will ask you find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. In my case, I already have one domain name which I'll be connecting to this account. So I'll click no thanks. This is what my blog is looking like at the moment. This is fairly blank. We will be customizing this whole thing in this video. first thing first, we need to make sure that my blog reads as topbootcamps.com. This is the domain name I have already owned, so I'll be connecting this domain name to this one. Okay, my domain name will look like this, not this. This will redirect to topbootcamps.com. Okay, to achieve this, I'll need to go to settings, and here you can see the option set up a third-party URL for your blog. Point your own registered URL to your blog. So I already have one domain name with me, Top Bootcamps, and I'll be connecting this here. Click on set up a third-party URL. Enter the blog name, the URL topbootcamps.com. Okay, this is my domain. Hit save. Okay, you need to add www as well, www.topbootcamps.com. Okay, hit save. Now the next thing is we need to go to our hosting settings for this domain. I've been using GoDaddy, so these are the settings I'll need to make. If you are using any other hosting company, you can simply go ahead and choose the settings following these instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory, so should be easy. Since I'm using a non-Google domain, so I'll be selecting here. These are the options that apply to me. Go to the website where you bought your domain, find the DNS, domain name system. In the control panel, under name, label or host, type the subdomain you entered in the previous step. Under destination, target or points to, type GHS googlehosted.com. Enter details for the second CNAME which are specific to your blog or Google account. So these are the steps I need to take. So let me first go to GoDaddy, my hosting company. I'm already signed in, so here you can see that manage domains. I have several domain names, so let me pick the one which I topbootcamps.com. Click on these three dots and hit manage DNS. Now we need to add those options which were given here. For www, we need to enter this. On your domain registrar's website, locate your domain name system DNS setting and enter the following two CNAMEs. We have to add two CNAMEs. So let me show you that, how to do it. Click here, add, select CNAME. Host value is www and it points to this ghs.google.com. Hit save. Let's add another one. For that, the value is So let's see, name, host, and then the value, which is this. Save, and that's pretty much it. Go back to Blogger, hit save. As you can see, it takes about 24 hours to activate, so your blogspot.com address will redirect to the customer domain in 24 hours. So we will need to wait for some time. It usually takes 15 to 30 minutes, but the maximum time is 24 hours. So I better be pausing this video, and when the redirection is done, I'll be back. Alright, welcome back. So after waiting for like 20 minutes, the domain name has propagated to www.topbootcamps.com now. Let me show you that. This is the one which we created before. It will redirect to Top Bootcamps now. Let's hit enter. Alright, so this is what it looks like, www.topbootcamps.com. So everything worked really well as planned. Now the next thing to do is we need to set up HTTPS for this domain name, and we do not need to go anywhere else. The option is pretty much inside Blogger control panel. Let me show you that how to achieve it. Here's the option HTTPS availability. The default option is no. You need to select yes. Okay. So turning on HTTPS availability will now let it load first. Okay. So the HTTP availability is being processed. Check back later. Usually takes about 5 minutes. You need to ensure that HTTPS redirects whenever whenever someone opens your website without HTTPS, you need to make sure it redirects to the HTTPS version. For that, you need to select yes over here. So I'll be showing you that in 5 minutes. First, let's see if HTTPS has been enabled or not. For that, type HTTPS www.topbootcamps.com. Alright, and see, this is working now. HTTPS topbootcamps.com. Okay, this is how you do it. Now the next thing is we need to make sure that when our website is loaded like this, www.topbootcamps.com, it redirects to the HTTPS version. For now, it's not redirecting because there is a setting which we need to make. So let's do that. First of all, I need to reload it. Okay, here's the option HTTPS redirect. Make sure it's selected to yes. Okay, all right, so this is done. Let's try this another time once more and see if this redirects to HTTPS version. Sorry, this is Top Bootcamps. All right, so as you can see, it's now redirecting to the HTTPS version. So that's pretty much it about HTTPS. Next step is to customize this blog. Welcome back. So before customizing this blog, we need to take a look at another thing, which is very important. There are people who type your blog like this, topbootcamps.com. You'll notice this will not open without https www. Okay, we need to fix this issue. For that, we need to go back to our DNS. So let me open GoDaddy. Choose manage domains. Search for the one which you need to select. So bootcamps.com. Hit these three dots. Manage DNS. Scroll down. Hit forwarding. Click on add. We basically need to forward this topbootcamps.com. Okay, www.topbootcamps.com. Make sure you select permanent and forward only. Hit save. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes. The moment it's done, I'll be back. For now. So after 30 minutes of wait, Top Bootcamps without www is now redirecting to www version. Let me show you that. Topbootcamps.com. Just a second. Alright, as you can see, it's now redirecting. So what we were trying to achieve has now been achieved. So if someone types your website like this, Top Bootcamps without www or without https, it will easily be redirecting to the main version of your website, which is https www.topbootcamps.com. Alright, so that sums up setting up the domain name. Next thing is the customization of the blog.